In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT, Search Engine Explained. By the end, you'll understand what it is, how it works behind the scenes, and why it can make your research and everyday tasks faster and easier. So, what is the ChatGPT search engine? Think of it as a smart helper that can both search and generate answers using AI-powered language understanding. Instead of forcing you to think in rigid keywords, it combines conversational AI with web-based information retrieval to meet you where you are, in natural, everyday language. You ask a question the way you'd say it out loud, and it works to find and present the information clearly. It's designed to simplify research and information discovery, so you spend less time sifting and more time learning and doing. Here's how it works at a high level. First, it focuses on your intent, not just the literal words you typed. That means it interprets the goal behind your question and the context you provide. Next, it processes your query conversationally, which lets you ask follow-up questions like, "Can you compare those options?" or "Explain that in simpler terms." Then, it can summarize, explain, and organize the information into something you can quickly act on, whether that's a concise overview, a set of key takeaways, or a structured explanation. Under the hood, AI models provide contextual, human-like answers, helping the response flow naturally and stay aligned with what you actually meant to ask. Let's ground that with an example. Instead of typing a string of keywords, you might say, "I'm choosing a laptop for video editing. What should I prioritize, and why?" You can follow up with, "Summarize the top 3 factors," or "Explain it like I'm new to editing." The conversation builds, the context stays in place, and the answer adapts to your needs. What are the benefits of this approach? It's faster and more interactive than traditional search because you're not bouncing between results, skimming long pages, and trying to piece everything together. It helps with research, learning, and productivity by delivering summarized insights rather than a long list of links. That makes information easier to understand and, importantly, easier to apply in real tasks, whether you're studying a topic, exploring a new tool, or planning a project. For best results, be specific about your goal, add any constraints that matter, and don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. The conversation is the feature. With that, you're ready to get more done with less friction.